lovely crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, a very warm welcome. I'm so happy you're joining me today. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful and delicate Rosa multiflora flowers. It's elegant, realistic and perfect for bouquets, gifts or home decor. And don't worry if you're a beginner, I'll guide you step by step, slowly and clearly, so you can follow along with ease. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. For this project you'll need a 0.9mm crochet hook and white acrylic double knit yarn. We'll start by making the petals. Begin by chaining 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now insert your wire along the chain as we crochet. Now work 2 single crochets from the second chain from the hook, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, and now in the middle stitch, do 3 double crochets, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Don't forget to fold your wire over. This creates a lovely petal. Now on the other side, do 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet and 2 single crochets. Don't forget to slip stitch into the first stitch to close. Now wind the yarn around the wire base and trap it neatly between the wires. Cut off the excess yarn and wire. Your first petal is complete. You need 5 petals for 1 flower. You can also add a little colour to the petal edges like this, if you like, or you can leave them white. They both look beautiful. Now let's make the leaves using green yarn. Start by chaining 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now insert your wire. Work 2 single crochet from the second chain from the hook, 1 half double crochet, 4 double crochets, and 1 half double crochet. In the middle stitch, do 1 single crochet, Don't forget to bend your wire. 1 half double crochet, chain 3 and slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. 1 single crochet, picot half double crochet and 1 single crochet. And continue on the other side by doing 1 half double crochet, 4 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, two single crochet, and slip stitch into the first stitch to close. Wind the yarn around the wire and secure it. Don't forget to cut off any excess yarn and wire. Now your first leaf is complete. You need to make 5 to 7 leaves to create one branch. Now let's make the sepal with green yarn again. Start with chain 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join with a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. Work 5 single crochets around the loop. Now slip stitch into the first stitch to close. Now create the little pointed sepals. Make 5 single crochets around the loop. Now chain 3. Make 2 single crochets starting from the second chain from the hook and slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this all the way around. Now fasten off and hide the yarn tails. Your sepal is now ready. Now for the fun part. Take a wire and wrap yellow round around the top. Bend the wire like this to form the pollen center. Attach pollen around it and secure it with glue. Now do a loop to knot and close. Now cut off the yellow yarn. Now you can cut the pollen like this. And make sure you add some glue. Now attach the petals one by one around the centre, securing each with glue. Don't forget to slowly shape your petals while you attach them. Once all the petals are attached, gather the wires together and wrap with floral tape. Now insert the crocheted sepal underneath and secure this with glue. Now wrap the stem with green yarn and glue neatly. Now your Rosa flower is complete. You can make several flowers in the same way. Then you should prepare a leaf branch. And then attach flowers onto a main stem and add the leaf branch to finish your beautiful flowers. And now our lovely crocheted Rosa multiflora flower is ready. You can make them in different colours too for a gorgeous bouquet. These are perfect for bouquets, hair accessories, handmade gifts or home decor. I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful flower with me. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your crochet friends. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy crocheting everyone!